జస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ చెప్పారు సార్ లాస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అంటే ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అది
అదే జస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్స్ ఏం జస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసిన అంతే కదా.
అంతే సార్ జస్ట్ ఇంట్రో అయింది సార్ అంతే.
ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ null character ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. How to declare, how to initialize, I explained, right? Declaration, just how to read the strings, I explained how to read the strings. Reading of the string, reading of one dimension array using the one for loop. For I equal 0, I less than size of the array I plus plus. Scanf percentage ampersand of a of I. We can read the array elements, right, using these steps. Same like reading the strings. The declaration, this is declaration. First line is declaration part. Char, string name, then size 11. Suppose size of the string. String str name is the string name. Scanf percentage s string name. That's it. No need of taking ampersand. I already told you why. String is not the data.
No storage.
Yes.
Storage does not represent.
Yeah. That's why. This variable length we takes in the fixed length array. We'll take the variable length of the string in the fixed length array. We declare for this to store the string. That's why we are not assigning the ampersand. We are not writing ampersand before the string name. That's the string is not the data type. It is a data structure. It stores the data structure of variable length. String is the data structure of variable length. It stores the fixed length data type, that is derived data, that is array. So scanf percentile s is for string, percentile is for integer. I already told you. Percentile f is for float point value, right? Yeah. How to write. Next, right? Scanf, you'll see. I'll explain this one by one. Okay, I will read this. Simple programs I will explain. Right? Declaration, initialization, and how to read. Example program. See the example program. How to read string using reading and displaying of the string. It's a simple program. Displaying the string. Just declaration of array, string. How to declare? Char, the name of the string is string of size. You take whatever you want to take. You take string size 80 characters. Now, same printf as usual. Printf, enter a string. Enter string. How to read enter string? Scanf percentile s, comma, string name is str. String name is str. How to display? Using the printf also, you can printf. Whatever you entered, display. Entered string is percentile s. Just reading and displaying. Just declaring printf enter the string. Enter the string. Whatever string you are entering, you are displaying that string. See this. Reading using the scanf. Enter a string. MVSR. MVSR EC. That enter the string. same thing will be displayed. The entered string is MESR. That's it. Right? One, two, three, four, five, six. Whatever entered string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. Simple C program in strings. Understood? You can enter any special characters as a strings. This is the string I entered. Whatever I entered, that is displayed. Entered string is like this. Understood, students? Right? So
Yes, sir.
if I suppose, MESR engineering college. This is one string, but three separate words, 3 words. MESR is separate, but a space is there. If you use the scanner, what will be happen? See, whatever string I entered, that should be displayed. Right? Yeah. Entered string is only MESR. Why? Students. Entered string
String does not take the characters after space, sir.
Yeah, whenever the space encounters, it terminates. If you use the scanf to read the string, if you use the scanf to read the string, whenever the space encounters, it terminates. How to overcome this? There is one more function to read the strings, that is getS. That is to read the string. That is the getS. If I use this instead of this, use this function getS of, what is that? GetS of string. If you use this getS, what will happen? See this. Yeah. Entered. I am MESR engineering college. You may get the warnings. Don't worry about that. Yeah, we got same MESR engineering college also, right? If you use a getS instead of scanf, so you can overcome this problem. Whenever white space encounters, if you use a scanf, it terminates. If you use a getS, it reads white space also, and all the words. This MESR engineering college, whatever. Understood, students? That is the difference between scanf and getS, right? How to display? Using the display, you can printf simply. This is display in printf is entered string is %s. %s string. This is already writing of the strings. The printf function is used with the %s format to print the strings to the screen. That's it. Character name, then printf %s name. That's it. Enter contents. Display the array name. Then same like the scanf printf already. So there are some limitations. Whenever use limitations, and see we have the two functions, putchar and puts. Putchar and puts to write the characters. Getchar and getS to read the same like scanf to read the string. Getchar, getS. There are two more functions. There are two more functions to read the instead of scanf. So the date is August 4th. Instead of scanf, there are some limitations using scanf. Scanf is %ls string name. That's it. Two more functions can be used, putchar and puts. Putchar reads single character. Sorry, getchar and getS. Same like getchar and getS. Getchar reads single character. Single character. Getchar reads single character. Getchar reads entire content of the string. Right, students? Whenever white space encounters also, you can. I will show the one example program. Right? Yeah. Getchar will read only a single character from the keyboard. Getchar which can read the entire string until terminated by the last character, null character. Yes, right? Right. We'll use that one more example program. See how to read and how to display. Just simply, I'm taking. You see. Have you copied this one, students? Right? I'm taking one variable ch. Simple. That's name of the variable. Printf. Enter a character. Enter a character. Ch equals to getchar. I'm storing the getchar of function. So this is getchar is a function. Getchar. Now printf entered character is how do you take the percentile? What is that? This is a putchar. Putchar displays the single character. What is that character? Getchar ch. This getchar. Same like printf. You can use instead of printf function. This was scanner printf of. Use the printf function. Percentile s. That is string. Name of the string. That's it. String. Right? Semicolon. Now you can use that putchar function. Putchar of some variable. Same like putchar of that function variable. You can use this tool to writing of the single character. Putchar is to write the single character. Putchar is to write the single character. It writes entire content of the string. That's it. I will show this. Right, see this putchar. See. Yeah, enter a character. Whatever character you take. Y. Display. 6. Display. Whatever character you take, it displays reads and single character through getchar function, displays using putchar function. That's it. It is for to read a single character, right? The function putchar will display the character on the screen, only one character. If you want to read the display the full complete character, right? The function puttest is used, right? But sir, what is the difference between printf and puttest? If you use the printf, you need to cursor wants to go to the next line, you need to write the \n. If you use the puttest, no need to write the \n. New line character plus printf is the puttest, right? Right. I'll show the one more example. I'll show the one more example. Right? Using reading and displaying all this instead of including string. Yes. Reading and writing using the getS and puttest. String of 90 characters, suppose. Now read the string without writing the scanf. Suppose puttest, enter a string. Enter a string. No need to write \n. Next, enter a string. Now read the string using getS. Right? What is the name of the string? String. That's it. Right? getS. Again, reading this. Puttest. The third string is right? Again puttest. Again puttest of what is the name? This we are declared a string and puttest enter. Just puttest means yes, enter a string. That's it. Then cursor goes to next line. getS is reading the whatever string we entered, whatever string you want to enter. That's using this getS string. This line, this function, you can read the string. Puttest entered string is this displays as a puttest of string. If you write like this, see this. Yeah. Enter a string. MVSR Engineering College. Yes, the entered string is MVSR Engineering College. Got it. How to use these functions? getS and puttest functions. See, note down this. How to read and how to display using the getS and puttest functions. Puttest is like printf. getS is like scanf. I explained what is the difference between this. Putchar is for reading. Getchar is reading for one character. Putchar is for displaying one character. getS is to reading the entire string. Right? What difference between getS and scanf? Scanf function, using scanf function, because control and terminates whenever the white space encounters. Right? If you use that getS, it reads the white space also. It reads the entire string. Puttest is to just like printf statement, but extra no need to write the \n. No new line. Printf plus new line statement, that is the puttest. That's it. And puttest a function. If you write in the parenthesis, this is a function. It displays the string, whatever we entered in the string, whatever we were reading the string wall, whatever it displays that using the puttest of string. Understood, students? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Right. Next. Yeah. Write a program to find the length of the string. How to count the length of the string? Already programs are there. I will explain. Yes, see this. See this. Students, if you remove this, length of the string, I already told you. What is a null character? What is a null character? Why we use null character in the strings? Ending of the string. That's null character. Whenever null character encounters, that is the ending of the string, right? So see this. We are reading that char string 80 characters maximum. Int I is for index for string of 0, just like array. String is nothing but character array, right? We are using the arrays to store the strings. Str name of the string is str80 int I equal 0. Printf enter a string. Enter a string. Instead of printf also you can put s. Enter a string. You can also write get s of. If you take scanf, remove this function. Right? If you use the scanf. See this. Okay, we are reading the string from the keyboard. While string of I not equals to null character means, suppose string of 0, that is the first character. First character is not the null character means string is not n. N greater than 0, while n greater than 0, repeat the process while loops and for loops we do while. String of I, first element is not the first character is not the null character means string is not ended. Then increment the I plus plus. String of 0, I is first character, right? I plus plus. String of 1, string of 2, string of 0, count 1 is I value is 1. String of 1 is I value is 2. String of 2 like that. Depends. Once the string of I equals to null character, then terminate. Terminate, then printf the length of the string is %d. Why %d? This integer value. I is the integer value. Right? See this. Enter a string. Enter a string. MVSR easy. How many characters? 6. The length of the string is 6. Very good. No problem. Right? MVSR engineering college. They tell me how many characters?
4, sir.
Only 4, huh?
It shows 4, sir.
Why?
Because we are using scanf, na, sir.
Ah, right. Very good.
It terminates after getting space. Na,
Who is that? Who is that? What's your name?
Neeraj, sir.
Okay, Neeraj only. Okay, right. Yes, very good. Only it shows the length of the string is only 4 because we are using the scanf. If you do not use the scanf, use the getS of string. Sorry, getS, na? Yes. GetS of string. And see. Okay. MVSR engineering college. How many? Tell me. How many characters? Total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 21. 21 only. Whenever white space and it counts a white space also. 24. After MVSR, 1 white space. After engineering, 1 white space. After college, 1 white space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 7. 15 plus 7. Sorry. Any? 22. 22 and divide 2 white spaces only. 2 white spaces. 24. Not the last white space. Right? Okay, understood, students? How to find the length?
Sir, instead of printf, we can use putchar or puts, sir.
You can use. You can also use. I remove this. I'll take as a comment. Use this. Putchar, if you use the putchar, it takes only. But this is not the string, no. Understood? This is integer value, no. That's why you need to use printf only. If he is this is not, we are not displaying the string here. We are displaying the number of characters. That is integer value. That's why you need to take the %d. So you can't use the puts. Understood?
Yes,
Students,
sir.
you can't use the puts because we are not displaying the string. We are displaying the number of characters. That's why the percentile D we need to use. That's it. Okay. This is the write a program to find the length of the string. How many characters you entered. Whatever string you entered, it counts the number of characters, including white spaces. Right? Okay. Understood? Okay. Next, write a program. Yeah, write a program to calculate. To concatenate two strings. Concatenate means, I will explain in this. Concatenation of two strings. What is the meaning of that?
Combine two strings.
Yes, that's it. Concatenation of two strings means first string తర్వాత second string continue అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? Suppose if I write string 1, if I suppose my surname Boldupalli. Again one more string 2, JANAIAH. Now concatenation of two, string 1 and string 2. Now string 1 becomes BODDUPALLY, no space, JANAIA. This will be the string it stores in the string 1. Concatenation of string 1 to string 2. Right? It stores in the string 1 తర్వాత string 2 continuation వచ్చేస్తుంది. Concatenation of string 1 and string 2. How to write? See this. Write a program to concatenate two strings. See students. No need to write string.h. String.h is for string handling functions. Without this also it will get executed. String.h, why we use? We know that string.h, math.h. I explained what is the purpose. Right? See, I'm taking character, string 1, string 2, two strings, string 1, string 2. See the notes, name 1, whatever I sent you. Right? String 1, 80 characters, string 2, 50, whatever. Int ij, two integers variables. These are for I is for index of string 1, j is for index of string 2. String 1 of 0, string 1 of 1, string 1 of 2, like this. Index. Same like arrays. String 2, j is for index for string 2. String 2 of 0, string 2 of 1. Yeah. Printf, enter the first string. Get_s, read the first string, string 1. As usual, all these are same. Enter the first string. This just displays this whatever string is there in that printf. Reading of the string instead of scanf, string 1. Get_s string 1, because string is not a single. It may have some spaces between the words. That's why use the get_s of string 1. Printf, enter the second string. See this. Enter the second string. Get_s of string 2. But index for I is 0, j is 0. But initially you take that. Starting index, I is 0, j is 0. While string of I is not equals to the null character means end అవ్వలేదు. ఎండ్ అవ్వకపోతే ఏం చేయమన్నాడు? ఐని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేసుకుంటే వెళ్ళమన్నాడు. String of 1 of 0, not the null character. String of 1 of 0, that is the first character. String 1 of 1 is the second character. So and so up, increment. So now I will be the, suppose there are n strings. Suppose you entered n strings. This is n-1. I value will be the n-0 to n-1. So while string 2 of j is not null character, means now not null character means string 2 end అవ్వకపోతే string 1 of I++ equals string 2 of j++. I++1 is the n-1. String 1 last character. String 1 of
Sir,
I++.
we have to write j++ also, na sir? While string 2 j not equal to null character, bottom.
Yes. No. I++ means I is what? n-1. String 1 of n-1 అంటే లాస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ వచ్చేసింది. లాస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ తర్వాత string 2 of j+1 దీంట్లో స్టోర్ చేయమంటున్నాం. I++ n-1. String 1 of I++ will be stored continue అయిపోతుంది. String 2 of j not equal to null character. Then next j equal to 1, j equal to 2. Next characters will be added to the string 1 after the completion of the string 1 because
j also increment చేయాలి కదా సార్. j
అందుకే చేసిన ఇక్కడ j++ రాసిన కదా ఇక్కడ.
ఓకే
I have written
సెపరేటింగ్ j+.
string 2 of j++ కదా. j ని ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయకపోతే నీకు క్యారెక్టర్స్ ఎలా యాడ్ అవుతాయి? ఇండెక్స్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవ్వకపోతే క్యారెక్టర్స్ యాడ్ అవ్వవు కదా. string 2 of j++, that's why string 1 of i++ is already we incremented the i+i last character we entered in the first string, last character encounter, that is a null character, then stop and come here. While string 2 of j not equals to null character means, so starting from string 2 of j 0, string 2 of 1 like this. Now string 1 of j i++ means last character in the we reached last character in the string 1. Then after that add the string 2 characters to the first string 1. That's why string 1 of i++ equals to string 2 of j++. j++ is nothing but first character first, second character, like that. Whenever string 1 of I, that is only we are storing all these in the string 1 only. Whenever string 1 of I is null character, then stop. Then printf concatenated string is first string. Concatenate and store the concatenated string in the first string only. Try to understand, students. Yeah, enter the first string. I already told you, no? Sorry. First string. Yes, second string. Entered both the strings. We are concatenating both the strings. What will you get? That's it. No gap between the two strings. If I want to give the two strings.
For suppose MVS sir, college engineering one string sir, college another string sir. What will happen sir?
MVSR engineering college one string. ఇది యాసిడ్ వస్తుంది అంతే.
స్పేస్ ఉండదా సార్? MVSR and engineering space ఏం ఉండదా?
See what will output see. MVSR engineering college Nadargul. If you give like this, two words as string, it reads and it displays. ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ అయిపోయాక నెక్స్ట్ ఇమీడియట్ గా స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది. అంటే జీ కి సి కి మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ రాదు. కాలేజ్ లో ఉన్న సి కి ఇంజనీరింగ్ లో ఉన్న లాస్ట్ జీ కి మధ్యలో గ్యాప్ ఉండదు. బట్ రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్. అండర్స్టూడ్? ఎంఈఎస్ఆర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అయిపోగానే సి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. కన్కాటినేటింగ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్ నాదర్గల్. అండర్స్టూడ్? ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎంఈఎస్ఆర్ ఇంజనీరింగ్, సెకండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ కాలేజ్ నాదర్గల్. సో ఈ ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్ అయిపోగానే జీ తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్ గా సెకండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఫస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతుంది. దెర్ ఇస్ నో గ్యాప్. అండర్స్టూడ్? బట్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి స్పేస్ అనేది we can't change. That is the first string, complete string. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న గ్యాప్ ని కూడా మనం ఏం చేయలేం. దట్ ఈస్ ద సెకండ్ స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి స్పేస్. we can't change by concatenating. Understood? Okay. Any doubt in this, Niraj?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
This is called concatenation of two strings. Concatenating and it stores in the first string only. You copy this one. Anyone if you want to take the photos also. I'll give the list of programs and also will execute programs. మేము ఇచ్చేది ఒక 20-25 ఉంటాయి, 20-25 ఉంటాయి. మిగతా అన్ని కూడా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం బుక్ లో ఉన్నాయి, ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నాయి, మెటీరియల్ లో ఉన్నాయి. కానీ ఇట్లా స్ట్రింగ్ 1 స్ట్రింగ్ 2 అని తీసుకొని చెప్తున్నాం మీకు ఈజీగా ఉండాలని. రైట్? నాట్ నేమ్ 1 like both are same. This is the concatenation of two strings. Right? Next, write a program to reverse a string. We solved the many problems and we executed the program in arrays. Reversing of an array, palindrome of an array. Whether given array is palindrome or not. We have done that. Right? If you want to take the numbers also in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 space. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry. All continuation. You can take numbers also. Right? This is concatenation of.
అదే నంబర్స్ మధ్యలో స్పేసెస్ రీడ్ అయ్యేది కదా సార్, ఇంటీజర్ కిందకి వస్తుంది కదా సార్.
నేను ఏం చెప్పిన ఫస్ట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రింగ్ ఏం చెప్పినా నేను? స్ట్రింగ్ ఈజ్ ద డిజిట్స్, నంబర్స్, క్యారెక్టర్స్, స్పెషల్ క్యారెక్టర్, ఆల్ దీస్ ఆర్ స్ట్రింగ్ అని చెప్పాను నేను ఫస్ట్ డే whenever I started a string definition. See the notes first. String అంటే ఏమైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు, స్పెషల్. I will execute once again the combination of string, whatever string. This is a string. You can take special characters or digits or alphabets. You can take first string. Second string you take that set. Whatever. This is also string. You will get same continuation. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? G, small g తర్వాత 8 మధ్యలో ఉంది. 8 స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సెకండ్. This is a string. అర్థమైందా బాబు? అడిగారు ఎవరు? String is nothing but anything. String is whether it is digits or characters. Just first notes string లో character అనే దగ్గర definition of string చూడండి. String is the nothing but digits or characters or alpha. That's what. Numbers, whatever, special characters, special symbols, everything is digit. Okay, string. Right? Understood? Okay, ma. Right? We completed length of the string. How to find? This is write a program to concatenate of strings. Next, reversing of a string. Reverse the string 1 and store in string 2. Reverse a string. That is the string 1, whatever you have taken, store in string 2 and display. See this, I am taking the two strings, string 1 80, string 2 80 characters. Int ij are indices for string 1 and string 2. Right? Printf entry a string, getS read the string 1, I equal 0, j equals index for both string 1 and 0, index for string 2 is also 0. Taking. Right? Next, while string 1 of I not equals to the null character, increment the I index for the string 1, I plus plus. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళిపోతాం? లాస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ దాకా వెళ్ళిపోతాం. ఇండెక్స్ string 1 of 0, string 1 of 1, string 1 of 2, so and so up to. Whenever string 1 of n, suppose 10 characters are there, string 1 of 9, that is the last character. String 1 of 10, that is null character. Because we are taking 10 characters, 0 to 9 index. String 1 of 10, it is null character, then stop. Every time you increment I plus plus. While minus I greater than 0, means already it is 9, I is 9, then increment. Right? Decrement that and string 2 of j plus plus equals to string 1 of I. What is I value is 9. I value is 9. String 1 of 9 is the last character, will be stored in the as the first character of the string 2. That's why string 2 of j plus plus, that is string 2 of 0. Store the last character in the string 2 of 0 means that is the first character in the string 2. If I is decremented and j is incremented. I is decremented means that is I value is 9. String 1 of 8. String 1 of 8. That is the last but one character that will be stored in the string 2 of j plus plus. Already in the plus plus is j is 1. That value is 1. String 2 of 1. That is the second character in the string 2. So last but one character in the string 1 is stored in the as the second character in the string 2. Are you understanding, students?
Yes,
right?
sir.
String 2 of j plus plus equals string 1 of I. Because I is incremented. That's why I take that. So and so up to last one. Whenever I becomes 0, it's okay. I becomes minus 1, up to I becomes 0, it is executed. So all the characters are in reverse order. Whenever string 2 of j equals to null character means this closed, this is the last character. Then printf the reverse string is %. enter a string, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Enter the 7 characters. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. The reverse string is this one.
Sir,
Amma chep.
string 2 of I1 I plus plus అని ఉంది చూడండి సార్, ఈక్వల్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ 1 ఆఫ్ I plus plus అని ఎందుకు కాదు సార్? అంటే అక్కడ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ అయ్యేది, ఇక్కడ డిక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది సార్. స్ట్రింగ్ 2 ఆఫ్ J plus plus ఈక్వల్ టు స్ట్రింగ్ 1 ఆఫ్ I అని రాశారు కదా సార్.
అవును, I ఇక్కడ డిక్రిమెంట్ కావట్లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ వైల్ కండిషన్ లో డిక్రిమెంట్ అవుతుంది కదా మనకి.
ఓకే సార్,
అర్థమైందా? ఇక్కడ మనం ఎందుకంటే కండిషన్ తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ వైల్ I minus I greater than 0 అని, ఇక్కడ డిక్రిమెంట్ మళ్ళీ నో నీడ్ టు డిక్రిమెంట్ వన్స్ అగైన్ హియర్. But index of the string 2 should be incremented because one by one we are storing the last character in the string 1 is stored in the first character in the string 2. Last but one
sir,
character.
while I greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0 అని పెట్టి string 1 of I minus I పెట్టొచ్చా సార్ కింద?
We'll see what will happen. What is wrong? వచ్చిందిగా? అండర్స్టూడ్?
ఎస్ సార్.
మీకు అర్థమైందంటే మీకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఇట్లా మీరు ఈ థింకింగ్ చేయగలిగితే విల్ రైట్ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ యువర్ ఓన్. లేకుంటే నేను ఏది ఇస్తే అది గుర్తుపెట్టుకొని రాశారనుకోండి. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇంకా ఐడియా వచ్చింది, సార్ I greater than or equal to 0 తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ మైనస్ తీసుకుంటాను. వాట్ ఈస్ రాంగ్? యూ గాట్ ఇట్. యూ కెన్ టేక్ లైక్ దిస్. ఇది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది ఇంకా మీకు, రైట్? యూ టేక్ దిస్. యూ ఆర్ డిక్రిమెంటింగ్ ద ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద స్ట్రింగ్ 1 and increment ఈజీ ఉంటుంది. ఇది గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. I greater than or equal to 0 అయిన తర్వాత whenever I becomes I greater than or 0 వరకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. Later on when I becomes -1, right? So see, if you write minus I instead of minus I, what will happen? See this. What is post increment? See this. ఏదో ఒక క్యారెక్టర్ మిస్ అవుతాం మనం ఇక్కడ. చూడండి లాస్ట్ది 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 రాలేదు. చూడండి, అర్థమవుతుందా? సింపుల్ ఇది తీసుకుంటే మనకి రావట్లేదు. మైనస్ ఎందుకంటే ముందు దాన్ని డిక్రిమెంట్ చేయకపోతే క్యారెక్టర్ తీసుకోదు. ఇది లాస్ట్ క్యారెక్టర్ minus I, right? So you will get
డిక్రిమెంట్ చేశాక అసైన్ చేసాగా సార్ మైనస్ అని పెడితే.
MESREC CERM SVM reverse MESREC. You know how to reverse the string? Understood? While I greater than or equal to 0, string 2 J++, you are incrementing the index of the second string and decrementing the index of string 1 or first string. Whenever the string 2 of J becomes that null character, then stop. Then print up the reverse string is this. Understood? You copy this one, students. మీరు ఇక్కడ దీన్ని ఈ వైల్ లూప్ యూజ్ చేయకపోతే నీకు ఏమొస్తుంది? మైనస్ వచ్చేస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ స్టెప్ లోనే. దట్స్ వై ఫస్ట్ ఇంక్రిమెంట్ ద ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ స్ట్రింగ్, ఎండింగ్ వరకు ఇంక్రిమెంట్ చేసి అప్పుడు డిక్రిమెంట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి. అండర్స్టూడ్? దిస్ ఈస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు రివర్స్ స్ట్రింగ్.
సార్ వైల్ కాకుండా ఫర్ కూడా తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా సార్? ఫర్ I greater than 0 అన్నట్టు
తీసుకొని ట్రై చేసి చూడండి. యూ క్యాన్ బట్
వైల్ I greater than or equal to 0 ఉంది కదా సార్? తీసుకోవచ్చా సార్ అట్లా?
ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నా చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ I equal 0 while already ఇక్కడ I equal 0 we have taken initial condition. For I equal 0, next I
పాసిబుల్ కాదు.
I greater than or equal
3 స్టేట్మెంట్స్ రావాలి కదా సార్ ఫర్ లో మనకి.
సేమ్ లైక్ I not equals to that's why ఈ null condition తీసుకోవడం కష్టం అవుతుంది. null character. Try it. No, nothing wrong. Right? This is the reversing of a string. Students, reversing of a string. Next, can I explain one more program?
Sir is waiting. So 310 message better sir.
Okay. పెట్టారా? నాకు లేట్ అయిపోయింది అది బాధ. వాట్ ఇస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్? రైట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామ్ టు కాపీ వన్ స్ట్రింగ్ టు అనదర్ స్ట్రింగ్. దిస్ ఆల్సో ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ తీసుకొని సేమ్ 2 స్ట్రింగ్స్ తీసుకొని ఒక స్ట్రింగ్ ని రీడ్ చేసేసి ఆ స్ట్రింగ్ ని ఇంకో దాంట్లో రీడ్ చేసి స్ట్రింగ్ 2 డిస్ప్లే చేయడం. ఎట్లా చేసాం? సేమ్ ఇది string 1 of i not equals to correct, string 2 of i equal to string 1 of i plus plus. దాన్ని దీంట్లో కాపీ చేసాం. I will explain tomorrow. Right? Up to this, what is the first program? What is getS, what is putS, what is getChar, what is putChar, and we discuss next concatenation of the finding the length of the string and concatenation of two strings and reversing of a string. We completed 3. 2 more programs are there. How to copy one string into another string and how to display. This is how to compare 2 strings. If 2 strings are equal, then strings are equal, it is displayed. Right? Next, what is this? We completed. I completed. Just 2 more. I will explain tomorrow. Right, students? Next will use the civil string handling functions. ఇవన్నీ మనం చేసినటువంటి వాటికి ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. డైరెక్ట్ ఫంక్షన్స్ యూజ్ చేసి కూడా మనం యూ కెన్ క్యాల్కులేట్ ద లెంత్. రైట్? యా. Give the attendance and parallel you enter